Hello
Serverless Computing,
everyone.
code
Good
without the
morning. How are
servers.
you all doing? If you're just seeing my video for the first time, I am Chinyere. I am a Nigerian, currently living in Madrid, Spain, and I'm documenting my cloud computing journey. So on today's episode, I'm still talking about the compute service area, right? Today's episode, I'll be focusing on serverless computing. Before now, when I heard the word serverless, right? I broke it into two words, server and less. And I had thoughts of, does this mean without servers? Right? Because I mean, a server is basically any computer anywhere, seated anywhere that serves application, serves resources, renders application, right? But that's not the actual meaning of serverless. Serverless computing is that cloud computing strategy that involves building and running of applications and services without the user directly managing servers. In this case, you just launch your applications, right? Just launch your applications and allow the service handle the rest. So picture this, there are different cloud vendors, different cloud providers, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud. You just need to allow them. They'll just take care of the server provisioning. They'll take care of scaling up and down depending on the amount of traffic that arrives at your application gets, right? They also take care of maintenance and availability. So serverless does not run on idle resources. With serverless resources, you just need to save yourself time from configuring servers, right? You also need to don't really need to bother yourself about scaling up capacity storage, right? And also there is built-in availability and fault tolerance. Picture this. You have an EC2 instance running for 5 hours, right? But in the actual sense, what your application utilize resources within or actively utilize resources within 2 hours. So for serverless computing, you actually pay for the time your application actively use the resources. And an example of a fully managed serverless compute service is the AWS Lambda. My husband used to talk about lambda function here and there, how it is event driven, how it works perfectly in an event driven architecture, right? And I'll be like, what is this man talking about? I really did not know what it was. I just know I've heard about it, lambda function, AWS Lambda, right? Watch out for my next video because I'll be talking about the AWS Lambda and its benefits.